Hi friends, welcome to Venky's channel. In the previous video, we have learned what is HTML, what are HTML tags and the different types of HTML tags. Today we are going to learn how to create a HTML document and the basic structure of a HTML document and how to open HTML documents in our browser. We are going to do all this using Notepad. So first let's open Notepad. And then before writing our code, let's save our changes by pressing on File, Save, or we can also press Ctrl S. I am saving the file to my desktop and the file name I am giving it as my first HTML document, and at the end we have to follow a rule. That rule is we have to add .html or .htm. If you don't follow this rule, your file won't be considered as a HTML file or as a HTML document. This rule should be followed, must and should. And now let me click on save. And now let's learn the basic structure of a HTML document, which means all HTML documents should contain this basic structure for sure. If a HTML document does not contain this basic structure, then also this file won't be considered as a HTML document. So let's learn it. First of all, we have to open the HTML tag, and then in the next line we have to close the HTML tag by adding slash before it. We have learned how to close a HTML tag in the previous video. All our code should be written between this opening HTML and the closing HTML. There are two important components inside HTML. They are head and body. So first, let me open the head tag, and before that we have to keep one thing in mind, that is called as indentation. Indentation is a rule while writing HTML code. Even if you don't follow this rule, your HTML code will work properly. But if others see your code, it won't be good. The indentation is, first you have to click on enter between HTML so that there is a line between HTML tags, and then you have to press tab on your keyboard, and then automatically it will take a few spaces like this. And then let me open the head tag and then click on enter, and then we have to press tab one more time, because if we don't press tab, the head will be closed here only, which does not look good. So let me press tab and then close the head tag by putting slash head and then greater than. And the next component is called as the body component. So let me go to the next line, click on tab key and then body and then closing body. Inside the head component, there is one more important component which is called as title. So let me go into the head, and then now we have to press tab for 2 times, because first we are going into the HTML tag and then space is taken, and then we have to press tab for one more time because now we have to go into the head tag. So the space is doubled, and then the tag is title tag. We will learn about each of these components soon, and then the closing title tag. Now let me save my changes and let's learn how to open the HTML document in a browser. So let me go back to my desktop, and then here I see my document saved, and the icon of this file is Google Chrome icon because my default browser is set as Google Chrome. There are 2 ways to open HTML documents. One is just through this file, and the other is opening it through Google Chrome. Let's learn the first way. The first way is to open with this file. So we have to just double click on it, and then the browser will be opened and your file will open. You may not see this Chrome icon already or the icon of your default browser already. Then we have to right click on this file and then open with, and then we have to click on choose default program, and then we'll see a list of programs available to open such files. you can choose your default browser. My default browser is Chrome and I'm already using Google Chrome. So let me click on keep using Google Chrome, and then the file will open in Google Chrome. Now let's learn the second way, which is opening the file through Google Chrome. First we have to open Google Chrome and then click on Ctrl plus O. Remember this, it is Ctrl plus O. As soon as we press Ctrl plus O, the open pop-up will be opened. And here we have to select our file and then click on open. As soon as we click on open, the file will be rendered on the web page. Right now, the title of the web page is set as my first HTML document.html. The one which I am highlighting is called as title. We have not given any title, so the file name itself is taken as the title of the web page. Let me go to the notepad file, and then between the title opening tag and the closing tag, we have to write our custom title. Let me give it as HTML document. And then we have to save our changes by pressing Ctrl S. And then when we refresh Google Chrome, the title of the web page is changed to HTML document as I'm highlighting here. Now let's learn about the body tag. As the name suggests, the body of the web page is called the body tag. Whatever we type on the body tag will appear here. So now let's just type HTML and then let's save our changes and then refresh Google Chrome. As soon as we refresh Google Chrome, HTML will be seen on the body of the web page. In the next video, we will learn what are HTML attributes, and we will learn common attributes for the tags which we have already learned. The tags which we have already learned are HTML, head, title and body. Bye friends.